Hello students, welcome back in our EVS class. Today we will continue same lesson, directions and maps. In previous class we have studied about directions and subdirections. We use directions and subdirections to find out location or position of a place, as well as we have learned about compass rules. Today we will learn map and scale. Now we will study how to read map using compass rules. Use your brain power. Children, place the compass rose on bead and make a list of all the districts that are situated along the main directions and subdirections. Jalna lies to the north of Beed. Ahmednagar lies to the west of Beed. Osmanabad lies to the south of Beed. Latur lies to the southeast of Beed. Aurangabad lies to the northwest. Parbhani lies to the east of Beed. Children, you have to repeat this activity for other districts. Now, place the rows at center of our state and note location of your district in the state. Children, if you place the compass rose at the center of our Maharashtra state, the location of our Sangli district is on southwest. Now we will study about map and scale. Children, places in our surroundings are often located at distance from one another. Children, in our surrounding we can see that there are some distance between two places. These places are also large in size, but maps of these places are comparatively small. Therefore, the distance between these places has to be shown in a very limited space on map. For example, when we draw a picture of houses, mountains and people, we draw them to fit the size of paper we are drawing on. Means when we drawing a picture, we adjust the size of paper. It is the same while drawing map. While drawing a map, the distance between two places on the ground has to be shown in such a way that it fits the paper. The distance on the map is proportionate to the distance on ground. Proportionate means suitable in size. The distance on the map is suitable in size to the distance on the ground. Children, try to understand this with the help of picture given here. In this picture, you can see that the house is very huge and large in size. But if we want to draw a map of house on the paper, the size becomes smaller. So we have to adjust the size on paper. So a scale has to be used to draw a map. Here you can see that the scale used on map is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 30 meter is equal to 30 centimeter. Now use your brain power. The distance between Rasika and Reshma's house is 10 kilometer. The scale used on map is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. On the map, what would be the distance between the two houses? Children, here 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 10 kilometer is equal to 10 centimeter. So On a map, distance between two houses is 10 km. What we have learned? Identifying subdirections, the compass rose, the proportionate nature of maps, the relation between distance on map and on the ground. Children, find the difficult words from this lesson and write in your notebook. Now we will see exercise. Question A. What do we use to find out the location or position of a place? Answer. We use main directions and subdirections to find out the location or position of a place. Next question. Why is a scale given in maps? The scale is given in a map to show the relationship between the distances on a map and on the ground. Children, now homework time. You have to copy these question answers in your workbook.